What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is product review day, and today we are going to work with Shine Armor and their product called Fortify, and we're going to be working on the Malibu. All right, so here we go. I was contacted on Instagram by Shine Armor, and they sent me some stuff to try out. It's called Fortify Quick Coat, and this is a waterless wash, shine, and protectant. So the big thing with this product is you don't have to wash your car before you use it. This does everything for you, and it also leaves a protective ceramic coating layer on the car after you apply it. So here's what we have. We've got the Malibu. I haven't washed it in about 2 weeks. It may look clean in the video, but I can assure you it is not. So I've just had my driveway redone, so you can see that we've got mud going down the side of the car, especially in the back. But what I wanted to do for this product review is something that I've seen on infomercials before. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tape the center of the hood and split it. I'm going to clean one side with the Shine Armor product, and I'm going to leave the other side the way it is, and then we'll be able to compare and contrast the two. So I'm hoping to have a real slick finish when I'm done with this, and I'm hoping it applies easy. We'll go over the directions for use right now. Okay, so step number 1 is spray onto a clean, damp microfiber cloth and onto the surface that you are going to be cleaning, approximately 3 foot by 3 foot. Step number 2 is gently wipe the surface with the first pre-wetted folded microfiber cloth. Step number 3 is quickly switch to a clean, folded, dry microfiber cloth and buff off remaining haze before it dries. So you want to keep the surface wet that you're working with. Step number 4, repeat this process until the entire vehicle is clean, streak-free, and ultra-glossy. Safe to use on glass, paint, metal, and plastic. So this stuff will work for everything that your car has on it. You can use it on the headlights, the windows. I might even try to do the wheels on this car just to see what happens. So let me throw some tape down on this hood and then we'll get started. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but I certainly can. This is the clean side. This is the dirty side, which wasn't really dirty when I started. But there is a definite shine on the clear coat on the cleaned side, which is really cool. And this stuff's really easy to apply. That side of the hood took me maybe 15 seconds. Now granted, this car isn't filthy, but it's definitely dirty. The difference is pretty incredible. So I'm gonna time lapse this, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the windshield, the top of the car, and the trunk. And then I'm gonna get this thing up on the lift and do the sides. I just wanted to point this out to you guys. You can see the hard water spots that are on my back window. It's easy to see because of the tint. And that's after. So all the hard water spots are gone. And all I'm doing is spraying the stuff on a damp microfiber, wiping it on and buffing it off. Really easy to use. All right, so moving right along, we're up on the lift now so I can clean this easier. And you can see this is where the mess really is. Concrete dust is what this is. So I am going to start with the quarter panel and work up the door to the other door. And what I'll do is I'll split this door so that you guys can see the difference. Once I clean half of it, I'll show you how good of a job it does. And like I said, this is concrete dust. So this has abrasives in it. So hopefully with that product and those towels, we won't scratch the paint. I think you can probably see the difference pretty clear. No problem getting the concrete dust off at all, and it leaves behind a really nice shine. All right, here we go. I know it's kind of a cloudy day out, but you guys can get an idea of how it cleaned up. And I'm actually quite impressed with it. It left a nice slick finish, almost as if you were to wax it. I think the part that I'm impressed with the most is the windows, because these windows had water spots all over them, hard water spots. And when I would wash the car at home, they wouldn't come off. And you can see now that all the hard water spots are gone. So overall, I'm really happy with the product. I'm not the guy to send car care products to because I hate cleaning my cars. I usually pay someone else to do it, but Shine Armor was nice enough to send me some stuff to try out, so I spent about an hour today working with their product. And honestly, it was really easy. You spray the stuff on and you wipe it off. It doesn't buff off hard. It comes right back off and clears up. Doesn't get hazy. and I used very little of the product to clean the entire car, which I would consider pretty dirty. So overall, Shine Armor Fortify, I gave it a big thumbs up.